Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clear your cache on CapCut PC. Oops, sorry, CapCut Mobile. How you can clear like cache files from CapCut Mobile. Sorry, I just make a lot of CapCut PC tutorials, so sorry about that. But it's actually super simple to do. You are just obviously going to open the CapCut app. And here you cannot find the gear icon anymore in the home page. I don't know why, but you're just going to go to the me page, which is on the very right of your screen, like the bottom right of your screen. Also, before we move on in this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video from us. Anyways, to clear cache, you're going to go to the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. And then here you're going to scroll down under feedback and about, clear cache. Clear cache. Don't worry, clearing cache won't delete your drafts. Clear cache ? And you are going to hit the confirm button. It's basically just going to remove effects and filters you've downloaded to your phone. So you'll have to download it again, but it frees up space. So yeah, and that is it. Again, to clear cache, go to the me icon, settings icon on the top right corner of your screen, scroll down and clear cache here. I don't have any more to clear, so I can't really show it to you guys. Again, I'm holding in a sneeze, sorry. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!